In a vibrant little village on the coast of Jamaica, aptly named Smilesville, lived the warmest, most cheerful people one could ever hope to meet. Every morning, the sun would rise over the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, while the fragrance of fresh ackee and salt fish wafted through the air. The heart of Smilesville was its bustling market, where vendors proudly displayed their colorful fruits, handcrafted jewelry, and vibrant textiles. But it wasn't just the goods that attracted visitors, it was the smiles that illuminated the faces of the villagers. Miss Etta, the village's renowned baker, turned heads with her radiant grin as she handed out slices of her famous sweet potato pudding. "One bite will make you dance," she exclaimed, chuckling as children eagerly lined up for a taste. Then there was Mr. Sefton, the fisherman with a twinkle in his eye. Each day, he would return from the ocean with a bountiful catch, exclaiming, "Today's a good day for fish and laughter." Fishermen and families alike would gather around him as he told tales of the sea, all while laughing heartily at the antics of his mischievous parrot, Coco, who loved to imitate laughter. Despite its idyllic charm, Smilesville had a secret. The villagers believed that happiness was not just a feeling, it was a choice they made every day. They would often remind one another of a saying that had been passed down through generations: "A smile is the sunshine that lights up the soul." With that in mind, they dedicated their evenings to dancing under starlit skies, laughter resounding through the air as they celebrated life together. One day, a Jamaican traveler who lived abroad named Lily arrived in Smilesville. She was worn out from her journeys and carried the weight of her worries etched on her brow. As she wandered through the village, she was met with smiles from every corner. At first, she thought it strange, a village where everyone was seemingly happy. But as she sat with the locals during dinner, sharing stories and laughter, her heart began to lift. Miss Etta encouraged her to join in a game of dominoes, while Mr. Sefton told a funny story about a giant fish that got away. By the end of the evening, Lily found herself laughing so hard that tears streamed down her face. It was as if the love and light of Smilesville had reached her soul. Days turned into weeks, and Lily decided to stay in the Enchanted village. She learned from the villagers how to find joy in simple moments, a shared meal, a warm hug, or a sunny day. By the time her journey continued, she carried more than memories, she took with her a piece of Smilesville, the belief that happiness is contagious and that every smile can change the world. And so, Smilesville remained, a beacon of joy, where the sun would always shine a little brighter, thanks to its nicest, smiliest folks.